so now I've got the little block we're going to make the crown out of, and we're just going to select our patient's name here, and see if it works. There we go. Now just put the block in the machine, tighten it down. So, again, it's kind of idiot-proof, which they make it nice. And then it's gonna, can you see in there? You can see a little bit in there. You can see. Can you push that down like that? There you go. You can't see too much in there, but that's the block in there, and it's getting ready to start. The burrs are going to start milling that crown out. Let's see if I think the machine's picking out which burr it's going to use right now. Oh, yeah, didn't like that one, so it's going on to something else. And it calibrates itself. It makes sure the burr's in the perfect position. We're in danger of having a boring video here. You can imagine how cool it would be, though, if it was actually already milling. So now I think it's actually about to get started. There you go. So it's spraying a bunch of water as it gets going, and it's just going to start milling, and that'll take about 14 or 16 minutes, and that'll be done. So let's pause there and we'll pick back up.